This is our 1984 750 horsepower Oldsmobile Cutlass that we brought all the way from LA to PA to compete in a drag race against a $300,000 GTR, a $400,000 Supra, and a $500,000 McLaren. And what do they all have in common? They're about to get beat by this, a $10,000 Oldsmobile Cutlass. We have talked a lot of crap over the last couple months. It's time to go bag it up.
If you don't know, the Throttle Throwdown is a YouTuber drag race held at Maple Grove Speedway in Pennsylvania. It's the whole reason we got Goodbye Baby here, our 1984 Cutlass that, on paper, doesn't stand much of a chance against some of our other competitors, like TJ Hunt and his 1,000-plus horsepower Supra, or Tavares and his $500,000 McLaren 675 LT. And when you can't have the fastest car at the drag strip, you better make sure that you got the coolest.
And so, we got Pabst Light as part of the Bigtime family.
96 calories, 3.5 carbs.
Our friends over at Rap Legends came out and knocked this thing out in a couple days. It's red, it's blue, and it's got 80s cream as well. Honestly, I love how this thing turned out, and we couldn't have made this video or gone out to Pennsylvania without the help from our friends over at Pabst Light. So shout out to them, we love them.
Okay, so we kind of lost our whole entire Friday and haven't had a chance to test the car. So we got 2 hours to do testing before the competition actually starts. Gonna get these tires figured out, got our pressures dialed in, and then also we have yet to run this in a full quarter mile, so we don't even know where we stand. So we're gonna go test it out. Don't blow up the car, don't crash.
We lost yesterday's practice session due to some travel delays, so we're having to get our first shakedown with the car a couple hours before our first race. But to be honest, that's all fine because so far everything is running great and the track conditions literally couldn't be better.
We should be able to shave some time off that. I'm assuming that's a no nitrous run. But car looks good, sounds good. Ambient temp's pretty low, which is good for making power. Track seems to be pretty prepped. No real tire spin. Did you see any spin? No. Yeah, that was a great launch. I think we're in business. Smoked that stupid McLaren.
The car ran absolutely perfect. No weird sounds, no hiccups, and thank God, because if it did, we wouldn't have time to fix it.
Okay, first run in the books. Now we're gonna test our secret weapon. So Mike and Joby installed a 200 horsepower shot of nitrous. So if we can get that dialed in, you know, I think we got a pretty good shot at everyone in this race. Did we beat the McLaren right there? Yeah, couldn't even see him.
9.9, we're under 10. That's good, but is it gonna be enough?
Guys, this is what happens when you give up on your dreams.
Yeah. Poor fella.
I like your memes with TJ.
What's that?
I like the memes you guys are doing with TJ.
Thank you. I hope TJ and us both win so we can race each other.
That'd be perfect.
Okay, first race of the day. We're up against Jimmy Oaks in his R32. He was supposed to bring some like super light, but was like, I didn't want to hurt the car. So he brought this instead. So I got my boots on, racing approved, FIA legal.
Those are not fire
disqualification.
but they are.
No.
They're so hot.
I didn't get intimidated until I saw those things.
Exactly, dude. Respect on it. That's fast feet right there. That is
Dude, real quick. If I win those boots, if I win, those boots are mine.
Okay, all right.
All right, hey.
The boots? Wow, dude, that's a big bet.
Dude, I'd look at an alligator, right?
Jerry, are you really gonna let those boots go, dog?
Not a chance in hell, brother. We are kicking off the show, first race of the event, Bigtime versus Jimmy Oaks. About to go freaking romp this dude. Good luck, buddy. Good luck, Owen. Oh!
Picked up both front wheels. That's a good first run. Sorry, Jimmy. Oh, God damn it.
So we won our first race easily, and now we move on to the semifinals, where we'll race against the winner between TJ and Tony Angelo.
Hey, that was fun. I get to keep my boots.
Yeah, I gotta keep the boots. Hey, don't let me down.
You know, that's why I didn't bet anything against it, because I didn't want to take anything from it.
What? You're a nice guy. You know that?
Goodbye, baby. Bye-bye. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye, baby.
Your boots are safe.
Goodbye, baby. What's up, guys? We sold this Goodbye Baby tee at the event, and they sold out within like an hour. So we thought, hey, why don't we put them on the website so you guys can be a part of the Goodbye Baby story. Bigtime.com. Go get them.
We got trackside for TJ versus Tony, and you know, as much as you want to run against TJ, I have a feeling Tony's going to win it.
I haven't seen Tony run yet.
Well, I only saw him run the once, but it looked great, it looked solid. It was like a 9.5.
Oh, damn.
Which TJ has run a 9.5, but he's also run like 10.2s and stuff like that. He's having a hard time getting off the line.
Yeah, it is a drift car.
Yeah.
You know,
it's meant to spin the tires. It is spinning the tires.
spinning the tires. Yeah. Up. He jumped the line. He got nervous.
TJ with a 9.9. Tony with
got nervous.
I don't know what happened.
Tony got nervous.
I don't know what that means, but I think that's good, right? I have no idea. Yeah, you read that. He's out. Yeah, but that's good. No, that's good. I want to see him go. good sportsmanship. I want to see him go, but I am really excited.
Yeah, and 9.9 at 150, you guys are
That's
cooking.
not even a race. I'm just kidding. It is. I'm excited. They're gonna put. I know you're gonna put a 200 shot on for us. Yeah.
So that seals the deal. It's going to be Big Time versus TJ Hunt in the semifinals.
All right, so we're about to go race TJ. We're gonna confirm that our nitrous is actually squirting. So I'm gonna get in the car, arm it. We have to be at full throttle for the button to actually actuate. So it's kind of like a double trigger. So we're gonna test it.
Do it again? Okay. Seems kind of weak and not what I would expect.
Seems, yeah, it sounds like low tank. Oh, that'll help. Okay, so both nitrous tanks were closed, which explains why we weren't shaving any time hitting the nitrous.
Okay, all right, cool. That's good. That's good.
That's a dumb thing.
Oh well.
Well, hey, pretty easy fix.
Pretty easy fix.
Let's do that test again.
Twist of a knob. Okay, you want to do it
I
again?
want to check that again now. Okay, yeah, that one should do significantly more now.
Okay. Well, TJ's. Or this is gonna blow up.
Yeah. No.
We have no reason to believe that it won't.
We're trying to build a case about getting people to not think we blow stuff up.
Oh yeah.
Then we do dumb shit like that.
All right, let's go beat TJ Hunt, who's bad at drag racing.
We've got Big Time against TJ Hunt. It is going to be close. Let's see if they want to do any negotiations to give themselves a little bit of an edge. Hey, Jerry. Here for a second. What do you want in this race?
What's your fastest time? 9.5?
9.9.
Get out of here.
Today.
Come on.
Today.
Yeah, but you know what it has. You know what it's got.
I'm stick.
Oh, so you got a faster car. Your chassis like, we tried Pink's. He doesn't have it. He didn't bring it. We brought ours.
Give him a hit.
Let him get the hit?
Yeah, let me get the hit.
No way. You just put a 200 shot on.
That doesn't mean I'm going to use it.
Listen. He bought his way in with the car. Knew the time. We brought something we didn't know would run a time,
Yeah.
and we're figuring it out.
If it's one race, I think we should get a car. I think we should get a car.
A car.
One car length. Yeah.
Oh, you get a car.
Yeah. What? Not you.
No way. No way.
Just like last time. Heads up.
Okay.
Shake on.
That's it.
For slips. Let's get it on. Here we go.
All right, the trick up our sleeve is that the nitrous bottles were closed on accident, so now they're open, which means we should be able to shave a couple tenths at least. So as long as TJ doesn't pick up any speed, I think we got it. We just got to get off the line, hit the button, and hold it together.
No! TJ Hunt is not mad at drag racing.
They cheated.
Well, I'm out of here.
That was fake. Redo. They cheated.
It's a rare feeling, but I guess this is what it feels like to lose.
File on that shit, dude.
So who's excited about TJ Hunt getting that win right there?
We did the best we could. We did a 270 shot at it, and I don't think it helped.
That was a super sick race.
Yeah. Now I gotta go give him my boots.
All right, I'm here.
Was that the bet?
He actually gives up.
The bet was that,
He
yeah.
really does like boots.
But I don't have any other shoes, so I'm just gonna be barefoot all day. Well. Good race. You know, I'm a man of my word. Here you go.
Those are coming off, folks. Those are coming off. He's a man of his word.
Hey, where's
Man
that
of my
beer
word.
at? Where's that beer at?
Right there.
Yeah, there you go, both of you.
There we go. There we go.
Cheers, buddy.
For the victory.
Good job, bud. That was fun.
I think TJ is now.
That was fun. I saw you. I was like, no.
I got out of the hole and I was like, and then I just slowly started coming in.
I feel like TJ has now the role.
Can I give you these once I get back to LA? I don't have any other shoes.
He got the hunt power.
Okay, I'll send them to you.
Did you wheelie?
Yeah.
That was sick.
I like stayed out of my eye and I was like, what the
We're on the spread.
We've got Lee.
Yeah, it was. I thought if we put 270 more horsepower to it,
Were you guys running the spray earlier in the day?
No.
You scumbag.
I love the guy.
Mickey, I'll trade you a past life or a glizzy. Come up to the top of the tower.
All right, so we didn't win, but here's the thing. We're about to go full on buck wild with this car. I'm talking about supercharger. I'm talking about more nitrous. I'm talking about popping wheelies halfway down the track so we can stick our fingers out the window and say, hey, TJ, suck on the middle one. We don't like being losers, but we won't be losers for long. So if you guys like seeing Goodbye Baby, hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I got to thank Paps Light for helping us make this all happen. Thanks to Rap Legends. Also, thanks to Summit. They sent us a bunch of parts for the car, like the nitrous system. It didn't work for us in this instance, but that's not because of them, that's because of us. So we're gonna get this car all sorted, and then I'm gonna get my boots back. If you guys wanna see more of Goodbye Baby, leave a comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. And thanks for TJ for being such a good sport. We talked a lot of crap, and he deserved it. What's up, guys? May 23rd is fastly approaching, and we are doing our very own Big Time Beginners Track Day with our boys over at SoCal Drivers Club. We got ride-alongs, we got friggin' car shows, we got sim rigs, and we got tracking your car if you're a beginner with some coaches and instructing. It's gonna be a whole heck of a lot of fun. GA tickets are only 10 bucks, get you in the cool car show award, and we got trophies for it. Should I show them the trophy? If you win the Cool Car Show Award, you get your very own Big Time skate deck with a little plaque that's gonna be right here that'll say, you won the coolest car show at the Big Time Car Show. And then if you don't wanna bring your car, you just wanna come hang out, and maybe you wanna feel like what it's like to ride passenger with either Joby or I driving, we have, I think, like 5 or 6 ride-along packages remaining. So go to bigtimebigtime.com to get that. We're having our very own bespoke shirt for the event. How cool is that? Come out. May 23rd, it's gonna be a whole heck of a lot of fun. Food trucks, music, umbrella girls.